One thing for certain and two things are for sure. I am an empty nester. When my kids graduated high school and left the nest, I was lost. It has been 3 years and I still feel lost sometimes. This past weekend, I went to church conference in Atlanta, Georgia, TD Jakes. The plane journey took about 2 hours. My transportation as an empty nester is by plane, not a road trip with kids screaming in the background. I gotta use the bathroom. Each of my children played a sport, so I'm used to this. I was always at a sporting event. The empty nester transition is bittersweet. My children became adults and left the home, but the sweet side is seeing my kids evolve into responsible adults and embodying the values they were taught. Now I forget to charge my phone tonight. I don't have any kid games or sporting events to go to, so I'm okay. I get to sleep in longer on the weekends. I want to work out when I want to work out versus squeezing it between carpools and games. Of course, I enjoy my freedom. When I enter my home, it is dark, quiet, and still. No yelling or sibling rivalry. All this time, I've been thinking, what do I do? I had no clue what to do when my children left the house. I needed something to replace all the idle time gained while I was living as an empty nester. My new life phase, I guess. The most important part of me is to accept myself the way I am and where I am at now. I am an empty nester. In a weird way, it's a well-earned, well-deserved superpower. I simply think about what I can do in this next phase, every part of my creation. I'm working on my fashion brand. I'm scripting videos, and this is major step outside of my box, my comfort zone. I'm making videos and I'm posting them. Well, I'm working with the manufacturer to produce the right fashion that fits for my tall clients. I love it. I am totally excited about it. This project, where I finally decided to launch something I was thinking about for the past 4 years. I'm excited about every second, every step. I'm happy when I'm working with my fashion business. I am in flow. My life work requires new balance. My new passion for fashion creation is my field. My life as an empty nester is my current, craziest, greatest superpower. I can do what I want when I want to, not have to worry about track, basketball, or baseball. How about you? Let me know if you feel the same way as I do as an empty nester. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for following my journey.